Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel Finance for Beginners. For today, I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can change your phone number on your Etoro account. To do so, first of all, go into your Google browser and just search for etoro.com. From then on, log into your Etoro account like I already did. And on the left hand side of the screen, you can see a option for home, watch list, portfolio, and many more. On this left display, just scroll down until you see a option for settings, and from here go on to the accounts option, where now you are able to change your phone number right here. You can add a phone number, or if you have already added the phone number, you can also opt onto changing it. Simply click on add or change and just input the new phone number that you want, and the phone number will be changed. This was for this video, and that's how you can change your phone number on Etoro. I hope you guys find that video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.